Hello everyone, have a pleasant day. This is Dr. Srimati from Dr. Ambedkar Global Law Institute, Tirupati. Today we are going to see about last in, first out. That means LIFO, L-I-F-O. So let us start with the problem. The received side of a ledger account shows the following particulars. January 1 opening balance 500 units at rupees 4. January 5 received from vendor 200 units at rupees at 4 rupee 25 paise. On January 12 received from vendor 450 units at 4 rupee 10 paise per unit. And January 20 received from vendor 300 units at 4 rupee 50 paise per unit. And then on January 25 received from vendor 400 units at 4 rupees per unit. Then issue of materials were as follows. On January 4 200 units, January 10 400 units, January 15 100 units, January 19 100 units, January 26 200 units, on January 30 250 units. The issues are to be priced on the principle of last in, first out. So write the stores ledger account in respect of materials for the month of January. So this is your problem. So what it is, the materials, the stores are materials or store which has been received in the last, that should be issued first. So it is like a godown which is having only one way. So here the materials which is comes on the last, it goes first. So in that let us prepare a stores ledger account. So as you know, date column, then particulars, receipts, issues, balance. So start with January 1, that is balance. It is about a balance amount for 500 units, 4 rupees per unit, 2000 rupees. On January 4, there is about a requisition slip, that is issue, that is 200 units, 4 rupees. So it is there, whatever it is there, we have to issue it. So 4 rupees per unit means 800 rupees. Then balance is 300 units, 4 rupees, 1200 is the amount. And on January 5, goods received 200 units, 4 rupee 25 per unit. So 850 is the amount. Then in balance column, 300 as such, 300, 1200 and 4 rupees. Then 200, 850 and 4 rupee 25 paise. On requisition slip, it is about 400 units totally. So what we have to do? We have to take first this 4 rupee 25 paise first. So 200 units, 850, 4 rupee 25 paise per unit, and then balance 200 we have to take it from 300 in the balance. So here 200, 4 rupees per unit, so 800. So balance is only 100 units, that is on the amount of 4 rupees per unit. So 400 is the balance. And then goods received amount is 150 units, 4 rupee 10 paise. So 615. So balance here 100 in units, 4 rupees, and then 150 units, 615, and then 4 rupee 10 paise. On the requisition slip 100 units. So here 100 units, out of 150 only we have to take that. So 150, out of 150, 100 units we have to take. So that is on the price of 4 rupee 10 paise. So it is 410, and balance is 100 units as it is in the opening, and then 50 units in this last receipt. So it is 550 units. So totally 205, 4 rupee 10 paise. And then again requisition slip for 100 units. So here this balance 50 units we have to take from 4 rupee 10 paise per unit. So 50 units, 4 rupee 10 paise per unit. So amount is 205. And then the balance 50 units we have to take it from the 4 rupees category. So 4 rupees category, it is 50 units, 4 rupees per unit, and then 200. And balance is only 50 units is left over. It is about 4 rupee per unit and 200. And then again the goods is received. It is 300 units. The rate is 4 rupee 50 paise. The amount is 1350. So the balance is 50 units 4 rupees and 300 units 4 rupee 50 paise. Then again goods is received 400 units 4 rupees 1600. So balance is 50, 4 rupees, 300, 4 rupee 50 paise, 400 again 4 rupees. Then issue is 200 units. this 200 is to be taken out from the last received 400. So that is, so here the balance is 50, 4 rupees, 300, 4 rupee 50 paise, and then only 200, and then on the 4 rupees. Then again is the issue, that is the issue is 250. So here the first 200 we have to take it as such, 200 4 rupees, it is 800, and then balance is 50 units we have to take from the 300 4 rupee 50 paise. So 50 units 4 rupee 50 paise 225, and the balance closing stock is 50 units 4 rupees each, and 250 units 4 rupee 50 paise each. So this is about the total value of closing stock. So the value of closing stock is 300 units of 4 rupee and 450 each, and then the total value is 1325. Hope you are able to understand this, because this is about whatever the goods received in the last, that should be issued first at the same rate. That is the main concept in the last in first out, LIFO. Hope you understood. Until the next, it's bye from Srimati. Thank you.